You're about to discover which AI tools are actually worth paying for, and which free ones outperform expensive alternatives. Spoiler, you might not need to spend anything. Free AI tools have caught up to paid versions fast. ChatGPT, Gemini, and Canva's AI features handle 80% of creator tasks without subscriptions. The real question isn't free versus paid, it's which tool solves your specific problem. Let's break down when free works and when investing matters for your workflow. Number 1. ChatGPT. Free unlimited writing, brainstorming, coding help. 2. Gemini for research and analysis. 3. Canva's AI background remover and design templates. 4. Descript for video editing and transcription basics. 5. Perplexity free for real-time research. All handle freelancer and small business needs without credit cards. Go paid when you need unlimited generations monthly, advanced customization, API access, or priority support. Tools like ChatGPT Plus, Midjourney, and Adobe Firefly Premium justify costs for high-volume creators. Calculate your time savings first. If an AI tool saves 5 hours weekly, the subscription pays itself quickly. Start free, test everything, then upgrade only tools you use daily. Layer free tier ChatGPT with paid Midjourney for image generation. Mix Canva free design with Descript Pro for video. This hybrid method saves money while maximizing capability. Monitor your actual usage monthly. Cancel subscriptions that don't deliver ROI. Found this helpful? Hit subscribe for weekly AI tool comparisons and comment which free tool surprised you most.